It's not cutting my head off. Okay guys, just make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and to this video so you can see our newest uploaded video to see if they will grow or will they not. Bye guys.
Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are...
Match made in heaven.
She had to think about it, but she got it. She got it right. Hi, Livy. Thanks for joining us. It's good to see you. Livy, I was just sharing with her our top video on YouTube was let's try some microgreens from Hamama. And we enjoyed these microgreens so much that I have been researching how can I do microgreens my own, Olivia?
How can you,
How can I do them my own? I have purchased my own supplies. So Miss Olivia, you're going to help us.
Okay.
But here's what we're going to do today. We're going to introduce the mead experiment, the beta test of our own microgreens.
Oh,
So,
real suspense.
the first thing we had to purchase was trays. So these trays I purchased on Amazon, and I'll put the link for these products. But these are going to be our planting trays for our microgreens.
So what's different about these trays than if you just bought like trays we bought at Walmart?
These are purposeful on the bottom. Great question, by the way. They have these raised lanes where we can put the water in, just like the kit we purchased from Hamama has the raised. So when you put your seed bed in, you will have the water below them. So that's the kit. All right.
Okay.
So that's that. The next thing is we have to have our bedding, Miss Olivia. So we're using, in this case, some cocoa fiber. Cocoa fiber for the bedding.
Cocoa or coconut?
Cocoa.
Coconut-based fiber.
Okay.
Just like the fiber that came in the kits from Hamama. So you see what I'm doing? I'm purchasing the same products, but we'll be able to mass produce much cheaper than buying
It's not
the kits.
because it's mass produced, it's because it's cheaper.
Cheaper. That's the key to everything. Something else we're going to do different
Okay.
is when we start the seeds, we have a heat map to start the seeds for a couple days until we see the initial germination, and
Okay.
then we can take them off the heat map. So we can start a system with the bedding, the cocos. What else do we need besides that?
The seeds!
Oh, we gotta have seeds! Very good, Livy.
Uh-oh.
So tell everyone, can you pronounce that word?
Triton, Dakin, and red arrow radishes.
So these are some seeds, again, we found on Amazon. We'll put this out. This is going to be our first beta test with this manufacturer and these particular microgreens. Sprouting microgreen mix from those red radishes. Do you remember the red radishes from Hamama?
No, we didn't have radishes from Hamama.
We had kale seed, broccoli seed, and salad mix.
And I will say my favorite was the broccoli.
Broccoli. I think that was mine too. So we'll look for some seeds from this manufacturer related to broccoli. But we're going to get started with this new kit, and then we can always come back to Hamama if we need to. So we ready to do a planting?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Oh, yes.
Thanks for joining us, Livy.
You're welcome. Bye. Alright, so now since we cut out our square, we're going to put it in the lip. Perfect. Look at that. great. So this is what we got so far. Now we're gonna put the water in it, right?
Since it's folding that way, what about this? That'll help it flatten
He's
out.
always gotta fix my mistake.
Hold up to the what's those called?
No, you need to fill it about that much more than those. Keep going. Keep going.
Good.
Okay, that should be good.
All right. We'll soak the cocoa fibers.
So, that's what we're doing now. Okay.
So if you remember with the hamama, the seeds were already in the kit and there was a mesh on top of the seeds between the seeds and the cocoa fiber in the hamama product. So we will see this experiment versus the kits that were much easier. None of this occurred with the hamama product. Miss Olivia, the question is going to be, is saving the money worth it?
We will find out.
We will see. We will have to see.
Will they grow or will they not?
Will they grow or will they not? Thumbnail.
All right, so now, last step, we're going to put our heat mat. We've got a 10 by 20 inch heat mat, and we're going to set these on the heat mat for a couple days to help with the germination and getting them started. And then we will be able to watch and see how they grow compared to the hamamas. Thank you, Miss Olivia, for your help in the experiment. And we will wait a couple days and see what happens before we put this on YouTube. Good job. See you guys.
Bye.